Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
This is your Weather Extreme video for this Saturday morning, March the 17th. It's St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patty's Day to you. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, sitting in for Brian Peters, who's up late last night, be working tonight, and Brian's sleeping in this morning, a well-deserved rest. And we're getting into the heart of severe weather season in Alabama and the southeastern United States, and looks like we're going to deal with some severe weather during this forecast period and a couple of times over the next 2 weeks. Let's get a look at what's going to be happening later today and on into Monday. Later this morning, area of showers pushing southeastward through central Alabama will be on out of here, out of the I-20 corridor. This is what the HRRR thinks by 9 a.m. this morning. Pushing on southeast of I-85 and on out of here. Pretty nice day, actually, across Alabama. The sun should come out to some degree. Temperatures will push into the upper 70s, probably lower and middle 70s. Some upper 70s are quite possible across the area this afternoon. Instability values will be on the rise. If we could get a shower or storm out there, it could be strong, but according to the HRRR, that's just not going to happen. A decent afternoon in store for us here in central Alabama, and that's good news. Now, scattered showers will be lined up along a cold front tonight that will push into Alabama as low pressure slides to our north, and that front should be sliding into central Alabama during the pre-dawn hours, accompanied by a few showers. Can't rule out a little bit of thunder, but I don't think we'll have any problems like that. And this is pretty much setting the stage for a fairly nice day on Sunday. Temperatures again, upper 60s to lower 70s, a good bit of cloudiness, maybe a few peaks of sunshine. But then another upper level disturbance, much like the one this morning, will be sliding through Alabama. And as it does, it looks like we'll deal with an MCS, a mesoscale convective system, a complex of showers and thunderstorms moving through the state Sunday night. And it looks like this one could give us some pretty high rain chances and some pretty decent rainfall amounts, maybe over an inch across most of central Alabama. That's Sunday night. A very complex system, lots of rounds of activity, unsettled weather. The warm front, which will be the old cold front that will move through later tonight, will push back to the north late Sunday night and Monday morning in the wake of that disturbance. Could see a few scattered shower storms forming along that on Monday morning, and we'll be watching that. Don't think those storms probably would become severe, but there's some chance of that. Low pressure system sliding out of Missouri will be moving across southern Illinois into western Kentucky on Monday, and as it does, it's going to drag a cold front our way. Now, the atmosphere on Monday afternoon should have the opportunity to charge itself up pretty substantially. We'll have colder temperatures aloft, which can lead to high lapse rates. That's a greater decrease in temperature with height, and that tends to give us very strong updrafts for thunderstorms. And, so as we get this cold front pushing into northwest Alabama late afternoon, early evening Monday night, the stage could be set for an unstable situation with some fairly decent wind shear, meaning organized thunderstorms, and it's just going to come down to figuring out what the severe weather modes will be. Will it be primarily tornadoes? Will it be large hail? Will it be damaging wind? Right now, the leader in the clubhouse is damaging wind. Almost all the models predict that we will. The leader in the clubhouse is significant hail. The leader definitely, according to most of the model soundings that we see for Monday afternoon and Monday evening, point to the fact that we could be dealing with significant hail on Monday afternoon, Monday evening from the thunderstorms. Now, they're not as clear on the threat for tornadoes. This low pressure system is just not that strong. It's in a fairly favorable position for us to get severe weather in Alabama, but we just don't see the backing of the surface winds. Now, the GFS gives us decent instability and fairly low tornado parameters, at least from a low-level helicity standpoint. And has a very low chance of us dealing with a significant outbreak of tornadoes on Monday. That's good news. But it does point to that threat of significant hail that we'll have to watch. Now, what we've been concerned about is that the NAM is much more bullish on severe weather. This is the significant tornado parameter for Monday afternoon. You see lots of colors there indicating some fairly high parameters. There's the retreating warm front, and in the wake of that, the NAM believes that we could deal with a tornado threat late Monday afternoon and Monday evening. It's just going to take some time for us to sort things out. Lots of hype in the old social media circles started on Friday, and of course that's going to continue through the weekend. There is a great deal of uncertainty still in this forecast. The confidence in the tornado threat increasing is much lower. The forecast confidence on significant hail is much higher. So we're going to deal with a severe weather threat Monday afternoon, Monday night. Just what it'll be, we'll have to see. Not time to panic, just time to monitor. Tuesday will be a transition day. The low pressure moves on off quickly to the east and northeast, becomes another fairly significant nor'easter for the northeast, producing some more impressive snowfall totals. We've seen plenty of that this year, that's for sure. But here in Alabama, we'll be transitioning to cooler. 70s today, tomorrow. We could touch 80 on Monday if you believe the GFS. Not quite sure I buy into that. Sunday might even be a little overstated too. But look, boy, we go back into the cooler Tuesday, that transition day with a high around 57. Temperatures remaining steady most of the day. And then Wednesday, the GFS now says we won't get out of the 40s, and I could believe that. And that will be below freezing on Thursday morning. That's believable too. So we slowly climb back in the temperature department to the 70s by Saturday. 16-day GFS is quite stormy the entire time. A couple of more rounds of rain and storms coming after this one, and predicting some 2 to 3 inches of rain, some greater amounts over south central Alabama over the next 16 days. So, boy, interesting night in the NCAA basketball tournament last night. I guess you always knew that someday we'd see a 16 beat a 1, and that happened last night. And very excited to see Alabama and Auburn both in the field of 32 for the first time since 1987. So hope you get a chance to watch some NCAA basketball today. Get out and enjoy the nice weather that we'll be experiencing. And until the next time that we get to talk again, I hope you have a great St. Patty's Day.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.